Kafka on the Shore, Haruki Murakami, a surreal journey intertwines fate and memory in a quest for self discovery. Stay with us till the very end, because what you are about to discover will completely change the way you think about this topic. Most people miss this crucial information and end up making costly mistakes that they later regret. Kafka on the Shore, crafted by the acclaimed Japanese author Haruki Murakami, is a surreal and captivating novel that weaves together two seemingly unrelated narratives, ultimately converging in a story rich with themes of identity, love, and the metaphysical. The novel's core premise revolves around two main characters, Kafka Tamura, a 15-year-old runaway seeking to escape an ominous prophecy, and Satoru Nakta, an elderly man who lost his memory during a childhood event that gifted him with the ability to communicate with cats. Their paths eventually intertwine through a series of mysterious and fantastical events that challenge their understanding of reality. Murakami's narrative explores the fluid nature of time and space, inviting readers to question the boundaries between dreams and reality. The characters navigate a world filled with symbolism, including mysterious forests, talking animals, and inexplicable phenomena that defy conventional logic. One transformative insight from the book is the exploration of fate and free will. Murakami delves into the tension between predestined events and the choices individuals make. The characters' journeys suggest that while fate may guide us, it is ultimately shaped by our actions and decisions. Another key theme is the search for self identity. Kafka and Nakta both embark on quests to understand themselves and their pasts, reflecting a universal yearning for self discovery. Their adventures highlight the importance of confronting one's inner demons and the transformative power of introspection. The novel also delves into the idea of interconnectedness. Murakami illustrates how seemingly disparate events and lives are intricately linked, forming a complex tapestry that transcends time and place. This theme resonates through the characters' experiences and the novel's structure, inviting readers to consider the unseen connections in their own lives. One of the most memorable moments in the book is Kafka's encounter with the enigmatic and ethereal ghost of a young girl, which challenges his perception of reality and pushes him further on his journey of self discovery. This poignant scene reflects the novel's exploration of love, loss, and the ethereal nature of the human experience. Haruki Murakami, a prominent figure in contemporary literature, is known for his unique storytelling that blends magical realism with profound philosophical insights. His works often transcend cultural and linguistic boundaries, earning him a global readership. Murakami's ability to craft intricate narratives filled with depth and imagination has solidified his place as a literary icon. Kafka on the Shore remains significant today, offering readers an escape into a world where the ordinary mingles with the extraordinary. It encourages a reflective exploration of one's identity and the forces that shape our existence, providing comfort and introspection in a complex and ever changing world. An actionable takeaway from Kafka on the Shore is to embrace the journey of self discovery. Allow yourself to explore the depths of your own identity, acknowledging both strengths and vulnerabilities. Recognize the interconnected nature of experiences and let curiosity guide you through the unknown territories of life's mysteries. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.